Hey, what's up everybody? We are down in Madera, California at the man, the myth, the legend Jax Williamson's birthday party. So we're out at the new Williamson Ranch and it's pretty rad. They got the river, they got the track. So we got out here about 9 o'clock this morning. Kids have been riding the track. It's a sand kind of track, so it's really good. They've been having fun, and now we're gonna do a little water slide, hang out in the river, party action.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, running. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Used to hold myself back, myself still. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke band heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got it down to fifth door. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them with their hand and crypto on how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'm on how to fix that. Some opportunities, so never come a listen. So I ain't next time moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make dollars. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no wins. Yeah, I did all that. Had to be happy. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, running. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran.
You didn't write it much.
This is my ship. I'm a chicken like let them in. Y'all not let them in. They gon' rotate this so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain. The cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend. Not in the pulpit. I'm a big bull in this element. Yeah, said you gon' pull up then settle it. Yeah, I've been married to the sauce. This is my brain. Watch out, stepping it.
Happy birthday to Jax. Right above. Happy birthday to you.
All right, that's a wrap here. Weekend at the Williamsons for Jax's birthday. Where you at? Oh, he's back there. Big 1-1. 11 years old now. Well, did you have a good weekend?
Yeah.
Yeah? A lot of fun? Got some cool things?
Yeah.
What about the rest of you? You got Josh back there. And you guys had fun?
Yeah.
First time out here at their new ranch. Pretty cool. The track, sandy, but fun. Josh got cleared some doubles and had a good weekend. So thanks for watching, guys. Happy birthday, Jax. And we're going to get on the road and get back home. See ya.
See ya.